Welcome to the course Entrepreneurship Vertical Startup Formation and Scalability. This class will discuss Unit 2 related to product development. Product development, then understanding the product life cycle. First, understand what is product development. Product development is the end to end process of designing, creating, testing, finally launching the new product. We have 6 stages of product development. Number one, planning, analyzing. Then third only we are going for design, implementation, testing. After that we need to integrate something. Then finally maintaining the same. The product development start from designing, end with maintenance. So, what are the things important for product development? First one is bringing a innovation to the life, solve the customer point, cause particularly customer pain, ensure competitiveness in present of the market. At present, what is the market pain? Understand the market pain, then reduce the risk through structured development. We have a product life cycle starting from planning, ending with maintenance, mainly depends on the customer pain. Understanding the customer problem, pain of the customer problem is important for the product life cycle development. So, end to end process, we have design, creating, testing. Finally, we go for new product into the market. Here, we need to analyze the market potential first. Understand the market potential. What is the market pain? Pain we have, market pain. The understanding the market scenario, finally, we need to incorporate potential customer pain. At present, customer having this pain, are they affordable to overcome that pain? That is a problem for this soft development of product like that. Product life cycle can be defined. It consists of multiple stages that guide an idea from concept to market. Idea from the incubative side, from that idea taking into laboratory, finally ending with the market. We have few stages. Already we discussed in that what is technology readiness level. With the technology readiness level, here product life cycle we have is some key stages. Few key stages I want to explain in this video lecture. One is proof of concept, validating the feasibility of the idea, then design, drafting and structure and functionality of the product, creating prototype, then testing that prototype, then bringing into product. The travel we start from lab ending with the market. That's why we are calling as lab to market product development, where we are applying different stage. Last class trends in startup, we have a different trends. At present, artificial intelligence, healthcare, different trends we have. We are classifying in major way: software, hardware, consumer goods, healthcare. Everything we need to consider two different things. One is cost effectiveness, number two important about quality. Before coming to the product life cycle, one major part, proof of concept. We call simply POC. POC is a small experiment or testing to verify the idea is technically feasible. We are classifying the technology readiness level into two different way. We are classifying in technology, another one is a business. That's why we are having two different mentor, one from business side, another one from our technology side. So proof of concept is a small exercise. We are testing, validating in our laboratory. That time we are getting a information from the mentor, technology based mentor. That's why incubators are inculcating this culture which are in the host institution. Most of the technology product developed in the host institution, then we are going for market through the incubation center. Institution accompanying with the incubator, product developed in the institution laboratory, market strategy is development in the incubation center. So main features of proof of concept. Proof of concept: demonstrate the core functionality, then identify a potential technical challenges, help in securing funding or approval. The main feature: demonstrating the functionality within the laboratory. In the lab, we have two different conditions we are explaining, particularly for testing in metrology and inspections. Usually, one is a repeatability, another one is a reproducibility. While going for proof of concept, we need repeatable as well reproducible. Repeatable means we have same environment, same condition, same power supply, manpower also same, everything similarly we are maintaining for different time, but results are same. First, repeatability. Reproducibility also very important, with the different place, different environment, different condition, different manpower, different skilled operator, we are having a same result, then only we certify as reproducibility. So two concept we need to understand. One is repeatability, another one is a reproducibility before completion of this proof of concept. That's why main future of POC, we need to understand the functionality of the prototype. Prototype gives complete information, complete working model, whether it's repeatable, the results are repeatable. Then process, if you are taking, the process are repeatable. Finally, we are having end result. Same time, it is reproducible also. The application of this POC, startups ending with the POC, that is before going for investment. First, we are introducing a small product, small prototype. Every functionality it will solve. We go for scaling. In our course, we have startup formation and scalability. Within the startup formation, we complete all technical feature in that. Then we have go for scalability. So what are the importance of this POC, proof of concept? Says whether the product can go for scalable or it is not possible to for scalable at this stage. We need to inculcate some functionality within this. So whether it go for market, whether it is possible for going for scaling, you can identify with the proof of concept. Before going for pharmaceuticals, like drugs, going before going to the business, they are going for proof of concept stage. They are testing within the laboratory. We call in vivo test, in vitro test. Ending with all the tests, then we go for market. Then we go for very big investment. So conceptual design is the next stage. The conceptual design phase involve creating a blueprint, then initial system of architecture. Based on that, we can understand how long it will sustain. These are mainly important for before entering into market, we need to go for scaling. Whether it's scalable, before scalable, we need to understand the product or process features based on the proof of concept and conceptual design. Mainly, features of this conceptual design includes define the product architecture in front of the particularly members. Those are technically viable product developer. Then identify a core features of that. Then focus the usability and feasibility of that. So once again we go for here two different major area: artificial intelligence, blockchain. Once again here healthcare. So these are the emerging sector particularly for startup. Now product development. Before going for product development, we have a prototype development. For that prototype development, early working model that demonstrate how the final product will function. We have a initial imagination, then we are going for reviewing requirement, system design, coding, testing. We are improving some implementation. Finally, we go for maintenance. We have some flexibility within the limit. We can inculcate something before implementation. For particularly automobile components, we are going for some raw material. With that raw material, we go for design, then review the design, add some features with that, some system stability in design, then go for some coding testing. If add some main features, we need to add all those things. With all those things we are doing within our laboratory. Within the laboratory, it takes time to development into final. If the final proof of concept with that prototype functionality is good, then we'll go for next level of scaling. So testing and validation is a major part. Ensure the product meets technically, functionally, user friendly. We have a different testing, functional testing, usable testing. Then with the different loading testing, if it is a mechanical component, we are going for testing with the ultimate level of different loading. Then different testing this capable for withstand, we go for final result. Before scaling, we need to understand all those things. Software also, we have a different testing process. So similarly, like a product development, we have a repeatable and a reproducible. The same thing, it is applicable for software development also. Nowadays, in the startup company, mainly focusing for healthcare. Healthcare, we need to understand the patient different psychology, whether are they accommodate with this type of functionality with this equipment. Customized design, we need to think everything, we need to test, then validate it for next going before scaling. So scaling is very important one, because we are planning to investment large amount of money. So investing large amount of money, we need to analyze these type of product development cycle, ending with testing and validation. So this lecture gives suitable information about product life cycle different stages. Then important of proof of concept. Proof of concept, before going for scaling, we need to test the functionality about the product and the process. Please understand, before scaling, we have to form a formation of startup. For the startup, we need to understand the proof of concept, whether the product functionally okay. Function, we need to test with the prototype. With this, I conclude product testing is important for before entering into scaling. Once again, we will see in the startup formation and scalability lecture again. Thank you.